If you plan on licensing a prefix from GS1 US to get a barcode, the Prefix application is where you'll start. Let's take a look. First, go to gs1us.org. On the home page, click the large button, Apply for a Barcode. This will bring you to the first step of the Getting Started guide. This page explains how to estimate how many barcodes your business needs and explains our pricing. I suggest taking a few minutes to read through this information to make the best decision for you. To access the application, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Fill out the GS1 Company Prefix Application. If you are a returning customer, you can fill out your account number, GS1 Company Prefix number, and your postal code to let us know who you are. This will pre-fill your contact information and speed up your application process. If you're not a returning customer, just click Skip to start filling out the application. Here's where you'll enter the primary contact. This person will get all emails related to your GS1 Company Prefix and will be the person who receives your annual renewal invoices. Please be sure that this is an email for an individual and not a shared email address. Please provide the phone number of the primary contact. You'll need to fill out the name of your company. Be sure that this is your official company name and not a doing business as name. Provide us with the address of your company's headquarters. Remember, spelling, punctuation, and capitalization counts since your company's name and address will be displayed in our public GS1 company database. Next is the executive contact information. This will be the owner or partner of a smaller company or a senior executive in a larger company. If your primary contact is the same person as the executive contact, check the box. Executive contact is the same as the primary contact. Make sure to fill out all of these fields in order to move to the next page. When you are done, click Next. Here you'll see our pricing plans that are based on the number of product variations you need to identify. It shows the initial fee, which will be paid now, and the annual renewal fee, which will be paid in a year. If you need to identify locations, the same pricing plans apply. If you are in healthcare and your company needs a US FDA labeler code, click Yes and provide your NDC number in the space provided. Next, you'll select how many barcodes you need. We call this Prefix Capacity. Click on the barcode estimator to help you estimate how many product variations you need and see the appropriate pricing plan. You'll need a different barcode for each product variation you have. For example, if you sell a box of 6 chocolate chip cookies and a box of 12 chocolate chip cookies, you will need 2 barcodes. Click on the prefix capacity that fits your needs. Confirm that you've read the cancellation policy and check the box, then click Next. The last step is payment details. This is pretty straightforward. The total is listed in the black box in the upper left-hand corner of the page, along with the company name provided. Please be sure to read the GS1 Prefix License Agreement and check off that you have read and understand it. Provide your name and email address too. To pay by credit card, enter your credit card details and click Submit Online Payment. To pay by PayPal, click the PayPal button and follow the online instructions. If you choose to pay by mail, click the Pay by Mail button. You'll get a confirmation screen that summarizes your order. If you paid online, you'll get a welcome email from GS1 Prefix License at gs1us.org. That will include your company prefix license, a copy of your license agreement, and a time-sensitive link to set up your access to our member portal. If you pay by mail, you'll get this welcome email as soon as we process your payment. Thanks for applying for a GS1 Company Prefix.